courtesy of Lydia for the second year. Give yourselves a round of applause.
Yes.
Jambo.
Jambo.
Sasa tule tusikie Meja anasema vipi.
Courtesy of Lydia for the second year. Give yourselves a round of applause. Yeah. Okay. So now, today we are not only Kenyans, we are Kenyans and friends. Ah, I cannot hear you. We are Kenyan and friends. So, I believe most of us are from Africa. So we're gonna say Africa. Everybody say Africa.
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 Just introducing you to the mayor of Ely. Give her a hand of applause, guys. And we also have the MP as well. There she is. Women rule, hey guys. Be very afraid. Be very afraid. I'm going to start with the mayor.
Thank you very much for inviting me to your lovely event, Kenya and Friends in the Park. We've seen lots of people, spoken to lots of people. We think it's a really good idea having you all together. We've been told about the 42 different tribes and the many languages that some of you speak, and you can't all necessarily understand each other. That's why an event like this is so good. We welcome you to Ealing. We'll hope you come back to the shopping and meeting people. There are lots of parks in Ealing. We hope you'll come and enjoy them. It's lovely to see you all here today. A really lovely event with your families, and I'll now hope you have a really lovely evening and hand you over to our MP, Rupert Huck. Thank you.
Thanks so much. Big round of applause for Mayor of Ealing. Who needs them? Boo! West is best. So please, second time in Ealing, 9th year all together. Big round of applause also for Lydia and all the organisers. It's a lot of hard work. This doesn't just happen on its own. So, can you hear me?
Yes.
Jambo.
Jambo.
Yeah, did I say it right? Jambo.
Jambo.
And also Missouri.
Missouri.
So look, really good to be here. I just want to echo everything our mayor said. Someone obviously had a word with upstairs because lovely weather, right? Apparently this time last year it was bucketing down, but lovely weather. All the 20 different dialects we've heard about. So exciting to have everyone here together. And after 9 years in East London, so happy to have you here in West London. And also Kenya has a very special place, doesn't it, in the Commonwealth history. It was where our last queen found out she was the queen.
Of course.
So that deserves a round of applause. So look, everyone eat, drink and be merry. We all tried a bit of nyamachomia over there. Nyamachoma? How'd you say?
Nyamachoma.
Get it right, girl. Nyamachoma. And yeah, just keep enjoying yourself. We've had a bit of God, we've had a bit of music, bit of culture, bit of dancing. Let the music play and kwaheri.
I'll give our mayor an MP.
Hakuna matata.
tumewezeshwa Kenya yetu, hakuna matata. Jambo bwana, piga dance kidogo, dance kidogo, piga dance kidogo, piga dance kidogo. Sorry mama, sorry mama.
As soon as we've confirmed everything. Hey. And we got 14 people up here.
Hey guys, I'm so sorry, nimewatupa. It's in the middle of the video. Probably, nitasema tu, nimewatupa. I am so sorry about that. So what's happening here? Tumekuja. It's Kenyans and friends in the park. Right now, it may change from Kenyans in the park to Kenyans and friends in the park because we have so many people joining us. Watu wengi wanakujanga. Like so many people come to join us. The whites, like everyone, Nigerians, Ghanas, nini. I've only heard of Ghana's in the park. Yeah, Ghana's in the park. Na Kenyans in the park. And apparently, guys, Lydia Tetolet is the one who came up with that idea. Yeah, Kenyans in the park. Okay, we are having fun. Tunajibamba. So yeah. What else was I supposed to gist you? So hey, you guys, I'm always telling you guys, mimi kitu yanibamba ni like watu wanajituma. Kenyans wanajituma. Like when I say wanajituma, like they work so hard. Kujituma is working hard. Yeah, Kenyans work so hard in this country. The companies that are here, makampuni zimejaa huku, like it's a lot. Lemfa is always number one, always supporting, always coming up to support my events and all that. I'm so inspired by this lady Lydia Tetolet. I am so inspired, like I'm inspired. Kwanza kusikia that Kenyans in the park was her idea. I am so excited about it. I didn't know like Kenyans in the park was her idea. Like I put a picture here and tumepiga na yeye and I've talked to her, like she's a vibe. Lydia is a vibe. Tetolet is a vibe. She's a vibe. When I'm doing like Kenyans, most of you guys, Tetolet, Lydia Tetolet. Like mmemwona kwa my interviews, mobs, kina Lingugi, you've seen her so much. So she's the one who came up with this idea of Kenyans in the park. Ma companies now come together to support these lazima when you come to advertise somewhere, lazima you have to you have to contribute. There's something you have to do. You can't just come and do biashara yako and hujatoa kitu kidogo. Definitely if you are a Kenyan, kitu kidogo what it means. Like you have to pay. You must pay, at least kitu kidogo for you to advertise business huku, because so many people come to these sites. These are Kenyans in the park. Watu ni wengi wanakuja huku. So today was Major's day. Major is coming. Major is here. Major is in the UK. Major is in London. We are in London and we are having we are having fun, guys. We are having fun. Right now, okay. na ramble. What I can say is it's a beautiful thing. Kenyans and friends in the park, it's a beautiful thing. Like every year, so they've been here. Like watu wamekuanga huku, like it's been an ongoing thing. I think hakuna month inapitanga kama hakuna Kenyans in the park. I'm pretty sure there's no month that goes without Kenyans in the park. I've never seen Tanzanians in the park, Ugandans in the park. like these other African countries except for Ghana try, then Kenyans, now Kenyans imekuwa ni almost kila time, and people turn up big time. Watu ni food, like Kenyan food, ugali, there's mokimo, you know, there's nyama fry, there's fish. I've eaten fish. Nimekula, like, yo, it's a beautiful day. And if I tell you guys, hata sawaambia, because I'll keep saying I'm operating on 2 hours sleep, but sherehe kama hii sinipite. First thing first, what brought me here ni Meja. I came to celebrate Meja, at least Joanna perform. But kama ingekuwa ni tu shughuli ya kawaida, because we are in London, we live in Slough, so we are in London. Tumekuja tu kujibamba, kuenjoy, you know, it's a Sunday and nini. So apparently this Kenyan in the park was yesterday. Jana Kenyans were here, yesterday Kenyans were here in this same park, and today still there are Kenyans in the park celebrating. Like people are turning up, and apparently there's a bar. Like, yo, me, I'm telling you, people have ideas. Like nakwambia kuna mabiashara huku, I'm telling you, hey, these are the things that entice me. Like I'm always happy, like kuona tu, like people are doing things, and I've found a company, guys. I've been looking for a company. Aki nimeramble, niko na mambo mingi ya kuambia, nimeramble. Apparently, I've found a company, 3 companies actually, that are shipping things to Kenya. I wish I knew earlier. I wish hizi shughuli zote zingekuwa, like hizo Kenyans in the park, the previous ones that have been attending, like sijaona like any, you know, shipping companies. And should I call them shipping companies? It's traveling something. They just take things to Kenya. It's door to door. They supply things to Kenya. So if you have things in the UK that you want to send back in Africa, back in Kenya, back in your country, maybe you have like unajua tu what, if you want to send things in Kenya ama in Africa, these are the companies zenye unafaa kukuwa nazo. Like I've seen there's a company that is transporting items door to door, like inakuletea hadi kwa mlango yako. You don't have to go, they clear everything, although it's expensive, yeah, but I'll have to, you know, do more research about these 3 companies. I've gotten so far 3 companies, then many approach actually, that they are doing this activity of shipping things, clothes, you know, fridge, cars, even cars. They are shipping cars. So if you want to ship a car in to Kenya or in back in Africa, it has to be 8 years old. So sahi ni vehicles za 2017 ndo zinakuwa transported back to Kenya, like zinakuwa exported ama shipped to Kenya, depending na njia unataka kutuma mzigo wako, like whether you want to send by ship or by flight, nasikiangi inaitwa freight, whatever, you do that. So I'll do more research nikiamini, like when I do my due diligence na nione enye this thing is working, then I'll pick one company, then I'll recommend it to you guys. Na nitawaambia this is the best company. So far I have 3. Both of them were marketing. I'm telling you, these people know how to market. Marketing is key. I'm always telling you, marketing is key in every business. Marketing, like if you don't market your business, hakuna mtu atajua uko na biashara. You'll just sit there with your business, nobody knows you have a business. So I'll do a research. Those 3 companies, I have to choose one that I'll have to work with. There's already one, like that person who explained it to me so well, nime fall in love nayo. But again, let me do my due diligence, because people can talk, like people can just talk and ukwe disappointed at the end. So let me just do my due diligence, nifanye research yote vizuri, nikishajua, then I'll have clear information, then I'll come tell you guys ni kampuni gani you'll have to use to send your items back home. And thank God I found these companies, because I've been looking for something to, you know, like a company to a shipping whatever, to bring items from Kenya, like inilete food. I really want Kenyan food. Nataka food ya Kenya mostly. I want unga ya Kenya. I want like Kenyan food. Even these sausages of this side, they're not giving, guys. Nataka farmer's choice. I want smokies za Kenya. So if it goes well that nime receive mzigo, that nime send mzigo home na imefika vizuri without any shida, you guys, I'll be using it, because I have lots of things that are let me go have fun. Meja is almost coming kwa stage. Right now is 8:30. It's 8:30 usiku, and he's coming to stage. This shughuli is going to end in Asia around 10. it's ending 10 in the PM or 9. So right now, nimesikia wametangaza meja, like his name has been mentioned, so he's coming up next kwa stage. I want to just have fun. I just want to have fun. This is a beautiful day. Imekuwa siku poa. I've enjoyed myself. I've danced, I've laughed, nimekula nyama. Yo, I'm just happy. Yo, guys, if you're in the UK, please come to these functions, come to these events. These events, they are zina connect to us, say. You can just, make connections hapa, networking, nini, and all that. So, anyway, enough of the ramble. Let me go back. Let me go have fun. Tutaongea na nyinyi when the event is done, probably, yeah? See you guys. Bye-bye. Kenyans in the park, Kenyans in the park, Kenyans in the park, Kenyans in the park. Woo! Yo, chatule tusikie Meja anasema vipi. Hajaingia? Hajaingia? Bado.
Two kwa two, tende kwa tende, tende kwa tende, tende kwa tende, tende kwa tende. So, tende tu. Ukitoka shikilia tende, wena makadema nini ya maruba eni. Kataki kama una machine. Nifanyaje? Aje. Teni ambie. Tena kulia taje. Aje. Tena nilikunywaje? Aje. Biroke. Watu wa shashamani. Mimi kanibi. Mimi kanisa. Mimi kanifajona. Kanisapena. Computer. Mimi kanibi. Mimi kanifajona dua. Kanisapena. Computer dua. Only more units over. Ukiniona nitetea maji. I know, red one na safi. Ukiniona nitetea
vitu vidosho makorazon. Toke kipo mtuna posho na choma poke ndeni nitakuja na chumvi.
Nanugia tuze.
Mtoto wa mushika tori ya siwa smoky. Itacheza kama mimi. Alafu kwa tupa kama leo.